Alright, today we're going to talk about patterns, rules, and numerical expressions. So let's start with a sequence. So let's just say we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So in this, we need to figure out what the pattern is. So to get from 2 to 4, I add 2. 4 to 6 is add 2. 6 to 8 is add 2. So I'm adding 2. That's my pattern. So to write a rule, I would do start with 2, because that's my first number, and add 2 repeatedly. So if I wanted the next 3 terms, I would just keep adding 2, so my next 3 terms would be 10, 12, and 14. So let's look at another pattern. So let's say I had 1, 4, 7, 10. So I look at this pattern. To get from 1 to 4, I add 3. 4 to 7, I add 3. 7 to 10, I add 3. So to write this rule, I would start with 1. And add 3 repeatedly. So to get my next 3 terms, I would just keep adding 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13, 16, and 19. Alright, so I got a couple more patterns here. So my first one is 85, 80, 75. So to get from 85 to 80, I subtract 5. To get from 80 to 75, I subtract 5. So my pattern is subtracting 5. So to write my rule, I start with 85. Oops. And subtract 5 repeatedly. Alright, my next sequence, I got 2, 4, 8, 16. So to get from 2 to 4, I add 2. 4 to 8 is add 4. 8 to 16 is add 8. So you notice I'm not adding the same number like I have in all my other patterns. So that's not going to be our rule. So this is not going to be an addition one. So let's try multiplication because our numbers are going up. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So I got the same thing. So my rule here is multiplying by 2. So when I write this, I'm going to start with 2 and multiply by 2 repeatedly. And I need to go back and find my next 3 terms. So the next 3 terms, if I keep multiplying by 2 in this, would be 32, 64, and then 128. On the top one, I didn't do it, so let's keep going. So 75 minus 5 would be 70, then 65, and then 60. So that's how you determine the pattern, write a rule, and find the next 3 terms.